Hi everyone, Glama here. So this is going to be kind of a hard video for me to make, so please bear with me. First I want to start off by saying that I have missed you guys so much. Believe me. You could say, well then why haven't you been putting up videos? But I just want to say that I miss you guys a lot. I miss our conversations. I miss your friendship. And I also want to say that I've heard you. You've said, I miss you, Glama. I miss your videos. Where are you? Where have you been? I've been here. I've been on YouTube this whole time. I've just been on another channel, on Glam It Up with Glama. I've been doing skincare videos, beauty videos over there. And so I really haven't gone anywhere. I just kind of took a little bit of a hiatus from crocheting. I still love crocheting. It's still a passion of mine. I just, right now, I'm kind of focusing more on my health, skincare, and just stuff like that. Recently, I had a health scare, and so that's just really made me start focusing on what I can do to improve my my health inside and outside. And what I mean by outside is I've gained a lot of weight. If you look at some of my older videos, I was 110 pounds. I was 105, I think, when I started the crochet channel. But when I left Washington and went to Texas, I was at 110. I got up to 135, and many of y'all might say, well, that's not a lot. But for my small frame, 4'11 and a half, that's a lot. And I couldn't figure out why I had gained so much weight. I thought it was stress. Turns out that it was health issues. And so I have lost some weight. I've lost about 10 pounds or so. And so I'm very slowly getting healthy. But that has just driven me even deeper into my other channel, because that's where I talk about skincare, healthcare, beauty, everything. And like I said, I have missed you guys, but just remember that I did invite all of you guys to join me over there as well. And not everyone followed. I'd say maybe 500 people followed me over there. And this channel has about 175,000 subscribers, and maybe about 500 of you guys followed me over there, so I appreciate that. Thank you to the 500 who have. But anyway, I've made another decision. I'm going to be turning my beauty channel, Glam It Up with Glama, into a vlogging channel for Adam and I. When we take little road trips and stuff, I'm going to be vlogging our trips and stuff like that. And this crochet channel, I don't know if some of y'all noticed, about a half hour ago, I didn't think it through, I guess, all the way. I just thought, no one's used to seeing me upload videos on this channel, but it's my baby. It's my channel that I started with. It's my baby. I grew this channel from zero to what it is now, and I don't want to abandon it. And I've tried so hard to get my crochet mojo back, and I just haven't been able to do it. I'll throw in a video once in a while thinking, oh, I've got my crojo back, but I really don't. And it's just, I'm still very passionate about crocheting. I just am taking a hiatus from teaching crochet right now. But like I said, this channel is my baby. It's how I started on YouTube, and I want to return back here and not focus so much on Glam It Up with Glama, but focus back on this channel. You've probably noticed I changed it to my name, Leticia Wilson, and I'm not sure if I'm going to go to Glama, just call it Glama or Glama Wilson, but for now, until I decide, I'm just going to name it my name, Leticia Wilson. And I hope that I don't disappoint too many of you guys. So anyway, what I started to say is I started to put up old beauty videos from my Glam It Up with Glama channel. I started to bring those over to this channel, and within 10 minutes I lost how many subscribers on my crochet channel? I lost 78 subscribers, which isn't a lot, but it's still, I don't know, it made me really sad because a lot of y'all have thanked me profusely for teaching y'all to crochet, and over again in the 4 years that I've had this channel, a lot of y'all have thanked me for teaching you to crochet. Glama, we're so grateful. I wish there was something I could do for you. And the only thing that I really wished is that when the invite was there for y'all to follow me to my other channel, I wish that y'all would have followed me over there, because I have a lot of interests. Just like my very first video in this channel, my introductory video here, I didn't say that it was going to be all crochet. I said it was going to be about anything that I become passionate about, because I have interest in so many things. I have interest in art, in crochet, in photography, in makeup, in cooking, in just hanging out with my grandbabies, in flower gardening, just board games. I have passions about so many things. I have always just been a very artistic person, and usually artistic people are kind of like Jane of all traits. they have their foot in everything. They're just interested in so many things, and that's kind of how I am. It's not so much that I lose interest in one thing, but when I start to learn about something else, that kind of takes over my passion, and I just get super passionate about that. But okay, I'm kind of going all over the place. But anyway, like I said, I noticed that a lot of people, 70-something people, left within the first 10 or 15 minutes of me putting up those videos. And I don't know if it's because y'all got frustrated because of the notifications or the alerts that because I think I put up 6 videos back to back. And so I thought maybe they're frustrated because they kept getting alerted, or maybe they're frustrated because they're not crochet videos. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to put myself in their shoes. And maybe that would be frustrating to me too, to just keep getting alerts for videos that keep popping up. But then I thought, or maybe it's because they're not crochet channels, and I don't know. So anyway, I thought, you know, the nicest thing for me to do, even though it's my channel and I can redecorate it however I want, I feel like the best thing for me to do is to make this video and explain to you what's happening, not just all of a sudden you come to my channel and you don't recognize your home. You don't recognize the place. It's like someone coming into your house and redecorating and thinking, where am I? What's going on? So I thought, I know it's my house, it's my channel, I can redecorate it however I want, but I should at least let my family know. I would definitely let Adam know, or let Finesse know, or Petrova know, hey, I'm going to be doing this, so don't trip over that, you know, because everything's going to change. And I would definitely pre-warn them. And I thought, you know what? You guys are my family, you're my glam fam, and I need to pre-warn them before I make such drastic changes. And so I took down those 6 videos already. I had a lot of views on them already, but I took them down. Out of, I guess I'll say out of respect for you guys, to first tell y'all what I'm doing. And if you want to leave, you know, I'm going to be sad. I'm going to hate to see you go, especially now that I'm going to be on this channel 3 times a week, and probably vlogging and also live streaming on here. So it's going to make me sad now that I'm finally back to my baby channel. And my firstborn, I guess I should call it my firstborn. Glam It Up with Glama was actually probably my 4th born, my 5th born, because I have all kinds of other channels, but these 2 are the ones I was focusing on. But this is my firstborn, and I'm back. So I hope y'all don't leave me. I hope you are patient with me. And to those of y'all that have said, thank you so much for teaching me how to crochet, is there something I can do for you? This is what you can do for me. You can just be patient with me, stay here, continue to be a part of my family, because I'll be really sad if y'all leave. I know that with 175,000 subscribers and with only 78 leaving, that's not bad, but that's still 78 family members that I've lost. And it's not the numbers, it's the fact that I love talking to you guys. I used to enjoy, you know, getting on my camera, teaching y'all crochet and talking to the camera as if you were right there in my living room with me. And a lot of y'all told me that. A lot of y'all told me that I feel like I'm sitting right there in the room with you, Glama. We're having a cup of coffee or having a glass of wine and we're crocheting together. And that used to warm my heart so much when I used to hear that, because before I started this channel, I told myself, you need to figure everything out. You need to figure out what you want and how you want this channel to be. And I put a lot of time and energy into thinking what I wanted this channel to be before I went live on YouTube. And I told myself, I want it to be a channel that is free of drama, no one critiquing anyone, no one putting each other down. I want them to feel like they are being invited into my home and we're just sitting on the couch crocheting with each other. And that is literally what I said. And I also said I want to change up my classroom all the time with a nice pretty wicker table, and I'm going to have different colored flowers for each video, and I want it to feel warm and inviting to them. And so when I hear that you guys say, I feel like I'm sitting in your living room and that we're just chatting together and crocheting and having coffee, it warms my heart so much, because that was my intention for this channel. So I'm so glad that what I wanted actually, I was able to, what's the word I'm looking for? I was able to project that, and that y'all felt that. You felt it through the lens. So I'm so glad you felt it through your monitors, your phone monitor, your computer monitor, your iPad, whatever, however it is that you used to watch me. But I just want you to know I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to be right here 3 days a week, but I want to tell you that first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all my old beauty videos onto this channel, because the reason I'm doing that is because I know that when I find a new YouTuber, I always go back to their first videos, because I'm like, what did I miss in their lives? What did I miss? So I really enjoy going back to their oldest videos and just kind of working my way up to their more recent videos, and I just feel like I get to know them a lot more. And I love seeing their growth, like where they started to where they are now. Camera-wise, filming-wise, as a person, just everything. You see the changes from first video to their most recent video. I just love seeing the growth. And so that's what I'm going to be doing. But I wanted to make this video first to explain to y'all that that's what I'm doing. So like I said, I took down those 6 videos already. I had already started doing that, not even thinking that I should explain all of this. But what was I thinking? That was so rude of me, right? I mean, changing everything around without letting y'all know. But if I could have one wish, it would be that you guys stay put, stay here, stay with me, and let's grow together on this channel, continue to grow. And I know that the majority of y'all are women. I think 14 or 20% of y'all are men out here, and so the men probably won't be interested in any of this, but you might, because I might even have Adam on here sharing some of his health issues and things that I, do with him. We'll share it here as well. And I know that y'all are primarily interested in crocheting, but I know that crochet isn't your whole life. I know that you guys have families, you take care of yourself physically, you go out to eat, you go to movies, you enjoy life other than crocheting. So I know that, especially as women, we want to do whatever we can do to stay as healthy as possible and to stay looking as young as we can for as long as we can. And so I know that you women have interest in that as well. You have to, right? I mean, who wants to get old? Who wants to get old and look old? If we can get older but stay looking as good as we can and as young as we can for as long as we can, who wouldn't want that? If someone said, here's the fountain of youth, who would not drink from it? I'm not saying I'm the fountain of youth. I'm just saying that whatever tips and tricks that I learn, I'm going to be passing them on to you guys. So I know that most of us women have a skin regimen. In the morning, we wash our face, brush our teeth, put on our creams and our lotions, and at nighttime we do the same thing. So that's basically the types of things that I've been teaching over there is what I do for my skin, what I do for my hair, what I do for my hands. And you know, some of the first things to go is our neck, our décolleté, and our hands. That's where you can tell our age quickly on us women. Of course, and our hair going gray. But anyway, I just want you to know that I'm going to be keeping all my crochet videos on this channel, so all 200 or 300 crochet videos that are on here are going to stay on here. It's just that they're going to now, my new videos are going to be my old videos from my beauty channel. And I'm not saying that I'm never going to put up a crochet channel. I still love to crochet, so I might throw a crochet tutorial in here and there. So if you've left me, you'd be missing that. You'd be missing a new crochet pattern. But primarily, it's going to be about skincare, beauty, health, and just my journey of getting healthy again. Some of the things that I was diagnosed with was fatty liver disease, thyroid. I have hypothyroidism, depression. There's lots of things that I've been diagnosed with, and so I'm taking medication and getting better. But I just, you know, hope that y'all stay with me, be patient, and I've got quite a bit of videos to transfer over here, so I'm going to be doing that. You might want to turn off your alert until I'm done putting up all the old videos, and then the new videos will be starting. And like I said, I'll be vlogging on here, I'll be doing live streaming on here, I'll be, what else? All kinds of stuff. Beauty, skincare, and just throwing in some crochet here and there, and any other interest, DIYs, because I love DIYs too. So anyway, I just want to, I don't know. This is a hard video to make. I know that I keep reiterating a lot of things. I don't know. I guess if I could ask one thing of you, it would be that you stay here and support me in my new venture of getting healthier and learning as much as I can to improve my health and my inner health and outer health. I just ask that you stay here and support me, and we can support each other. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and stop babbling and just end this video, but I just wanted to come and explain to you that you're gonna be seeing some changes, and I hope that you stay with me. I've really loved having you guys as my friends. I can't wait to start communicating with all of you again on this channel. So, whoa, it's windy out there. Right now we're not in the middle of Hurricane Florence, but Hurricane Florence, as you have known, is all over the place in the North Carolina, South Carolina, all those states over there. So it's really windy here. We're getting a little bit of that rain and wind and stuff. So I'm going to end it because my battery's about to die. But just know that I love you guys. I always have. I've missed you guys so much. So I'm finally back. So I hope you stay here with me. Don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. All right, bye. Mwah. Besitos.